Hey, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, happy new week. Well, British pound Japanese yen performed very beautifully last week. Um, Remember we were somewhere around here. In fact, let me put this on. We were somewhere around here, and it was like, okay, I'm looking for sales because the daily was in seller's territory. The 4 hours was also in seller's territory, and the 1 hour seller's territory too. This is some serious confluence. So I was looking for sales. And if you remember, I said something about potential sales on the break of this low, but price could react, breaking this high and possibly going to this resistance. Okay, as you could see, this was some reaction. However, this pre-London open by 2 o'clock aided price coming downwards. And I think there was some news by this 2 o'clock EST that made the pound to drop hard. As you can see, it even had a nipple wick, very tiny wick at the top before dipping. Okay, so what I was looking at was for sales. Sales got triggered or filled. My order was filled here or activated. Stop loss here. Then remember, it's like, okay, TP1 will be here, but I will leave runner. And as you can see, price dipped as low as hitting another demand zone down here. But this demand zone is what I normally call an abstract demand zone. What do I mean? It's not as strong as a normal daily or weekly demand zone. This demand zone is abstract because it's a nested demand zone, but this is quite advanced. So let me just keep it easy. It hit this demand zone, and so far it has been reacting from this zone. So price right now is in a range. I've put my sell pending order here, sell stop, my pending order, waiting to see what price will do. Okay, I could have kept it to be activated here, but because of this level, I kept it below, because if price breaches this low, there is a full potential, the probability that it could go deeper. And if it breaches this low, I'm anticipating it to do what? Dip further. So this is what I have for British pound Japanese yen, okay, for today. The next thing I'm looking at is gold. Gold played as anticipated, because if you look at this very well, so last week we were looking for sales for price to continue dipping, and price dipped, came back up. Okay, at this point, all my thought will be, again, sell below here after price had dipped and come above, sells below here, or buys above this resistance or this supply zone. And as you can see, price played out beautifully for the bullish momentum to take buys going up. So for now, what I'm looking at on gold is very simple. Sell below this level, okay, sell below this demand level or demand zone, and buys could occur above this resistance here. Okay, potential buys could occur above. Meanwhile, sales, sweet sales would occur below. The sweet sales. So this is what I got for gold this morning. Okay, let's go to the last on the watch list, which is Bitcoin. Bitcoin, damn, damn. If you remember, last week we were looking at a potential buy above this supply zone or this zone here, potential buys going up or sells coming down. Okay, the sell played very well. Then price did what? Triggered the buys. This was on Saturday. This buy played out. But as you can see very well, Bitcoin is just in a bearish market. Okay, even as it rallied, it has eventually dumped to where the rally started, which was here. It has eventually dumped to where the rally started. As you can see, the bullish momentum started here, went up, taking out every resistance on the way, but it has come down to where price started, reminding me of the cycle method. Okay, like this, reminding me of the cycle method. So if price breaches this low now bearishly or takes this level out, we'll be seeing further what? Dipping. Remember what we said, the overall price is the 14,000 price level. Okay, 14,000 price level. This is what I'm looking at. Well, it's not going to happen overnight, I must tell you that, but let's see how price will play out. $14,000 price level. So let's see how price will behave. This is what I got on Bitcoin. Okay, do well to subscribe, hit that notification button, comment, and the last but not the least is like. Okay, this is what I got for now. Baraka Bashad. Peace.